Welcome to SJCE content. I am Dr. D. Shobha, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous. In this video, I am going to teach torsion of a wire. That is expression for torque. Torque means couple per unit test. For this, we are considering a cylindrical wire. Consider this is an example of a wire. Consider this is a wire. In this wire, the top end of the wire is clamped and the bottom end is twisted. A twisting force is applied. What will happen? A wire get twisted. A restoring couple is created inside the wire. This restoring couple is equal but in opposite direction to this external twisting couple. Now we are going to find out torque per unit test. For this, the wire is in the form of a cylinder. So we are considering a cylinder here. The cylinder having a length L and radius of the cylinder is A, small a. And AB is the line which is parallel to the axis of the cylinder O dash. Now the cylinder is twisted. A twisting force is applied in this direction. So that the line AB twisted through an angle theta. So it will get a new position AB dash. Here pi is the shearing angle. The shearing angle is angle BAB dash, which is equal to pi. From the figure BB dash, from this figure BB dash equal to, this is an arc length BB dash. The distance from O dash to B is x. So multiplying the angle theta and x distance, we will get the BB dash. So BB dash equal to x into theta. And also BB dash, they having a shearing angle pi. The whole length AB is capital L. So which is equal to length into angle pi will also give the value of BB dash. So which is equal to L into pi. From this relation, we can calculate pi equal to x theta by L. And also consider the cylinders consist of infinite number of coaxial cylinders. That means n number of coaxial cylinder present inside this cylinder. From this, we are considering only one cylinder of radius x having a thickness dx. This is the position B and B dash. The whole radius is A. So the cylinder consists of n number of coaxial cylinder. We are considering only one small cylinder of thickness dx and radius x from this figure. We know that the rigidity modulus which is represented as G, which is equal to shearing stress divided by shearing strain, that is shearing angle. From this relation, shearing stress equal to G into shearing angle. Which is equal to G into, we are getting the shearing angle phi equal to x theta divided by L. So, which is equal to x theta by L. Then, shearing force. Shearing force takes the formula shearing stress into area. We already calculated the shearing stress. Shearing stress equal to G into x theta by L. Then area. The area through which the shearing force is acting. We have to calculate the area of this one cylinder. So area equal to 2 pi x into dx. This is circumference of the circle and thickness of the circle will give the area. On substituting shearing force equal to G into x theta by L into area through which the shearing force acts, 2 pi x into dx. On simplifying this equation we get 2 pi G theta whole divided by L into x square into of dx. This is the shearing force. Now let us calculate the moment of this force. Moment of this force about the axis O dash. Moment of this force about the axis O dash. This force into distance will give the moment of this force about the axis. So we get, which is equal to force. This is the force 2 pi G theta divided by L x square dx into x. So we are getting 2 pi G theta x cube by L. Now we are going to calculate the
dx.
We are going to calculate the twisting force. That is twisting torque. Torque for whole cylinder. For entire cylinder, which is considered C, which is equal to, we have to integrate this equation within a limit 0 to A. The whole cylinder having radius from 0 to A. 2 pi G theta x cube by L into dx. On integrating, C equal to 2 pi G theta x power 4 by 4 here L. So limit 0 to A. So we are getting 2 pi G theta A power 4 by 4 L. On cancelling this, we are getting 2. So, the final equation, final twisting torque, phi g theta by L into A power 4. Next, torque per unit twist. Torque per unit twist is equal to phi g A power 4 by here 2L by 2 into L. This is the relation for torque per unit twist. This is the torque per unit twist. Thank you.